Oh my god. I really hate Caillou's cat Gilbert. My dog pal is way better. I want to do something bad to Gilbert because I hate him. But what should I do? Wait. I have a great idea. I am going to sneak to Caillou's house and lock Gilbert in the fridge. Ha 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 ha. Watch out, Gilbert. Here comes Arthur.
They watch it.
Ugh. Chuck E. Cheese's. I hate that place. I hope his house is close. Oh my god. I haven't ran that far in such a long time. Oh my god. I'm so tired, but at least I'm here. And it looks like the family just left the house. Time to lock Gilbert in the fridge, man. There isn't anything to do when the family is gone. Arthur. What in the world are you doing here, Gilbert? I'm here to lock you in the fridge because I hate you. You have to catch me first. Get back here, you furry piece of crap. Oh no. I'm trapped. There you are. That's it. You're going to the fridge. No 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 no. Have fun in the Gilbert. Someone. Help me. It's so cold. Ha 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 ha. Good luck in the Gilbert. I hope you freeze to death. Now I gotta get out of here.
Wow, that was a good time at the store.
Someone please help me.
Oh no, that sounds like Gilbert. I think he needs help. Don't worry, Gilbert. I'm coming. Don't worry, Gilbert. I'm here. Where are you?
I'm in the fridge, Caillou. Please help me. It's so cold in here.
Oh my god, Gilbert. Are you okay?
Yes, Caillou. I'm okay.
How did you even end up in the fridge?
Arthur snuck into the house and locked me in there.
He did what? Oh my god. Thank you for telling me, Gilbert. Mom, get in the kitchen right now.
I'm coming, Caillou. What's wrong?
Mom, while we were at the store, Arthur snuck into the house and locked Gilbert in the fridge. And now Gilbert is severely cold.
He did what? Oh. Thank you for telling me, Caillou. I'm going to call his mom. Hello. Is this Jane, Arthur's mom? I'm calling to inform you that your son snuck into our house and locked our cat in the fridge. Can you please ground him? Thank you. Goodbye.
Hey Mom. I'm home. Why do you have that angry look on your face?
Oh my freaking god. Arthur, I can't believe you locked Caillou's cat in the fridge. He literally could have died. That's it. You're grounded for 5 6 4 8 9 2 3 6 4 9 3 6 4 8 3 6 4 9 2 6 4 9 3 6 4 8 7 9 3 6 4 8 2 6 4 8 6 7 2 3 2 9 3 6 years. Go to your room right now.